Hello everybody, we wanted to make a series of videos about the new Ezymigrate system so you could learn it, understand why we made changes and give some insight into our thought process. So in this video, let's go over the new icons. We took on your feedback when asking for a more up-to-date, easy to navigate menu. We wanted to create a more visually capturing icon layout to help you do your business faster. As you can see, the menu flows seamlessly along with your taskbar down the bottom of your screen, making it more visually appealing and easier on your eyes. We decided to bring color into the icons so that over time you'll start to remember which categories are matched with what colors, helping speed up your process, avoiding the time it takes to find what you're looking for on the menu. We wanted the colors to flow well whilst not being too distracting at the same time. We hope you love this change and we're really excited to show you more. Have a great day. Thanks everyone.